Do you still have some of those old metal fillings?
In the past, silver amalgam was used to make fillings in the teeth. This material is composed of an alloy of different metals with mercury. It's very resistant and toxic to bacteria, which is why they are usually long-lasting. However, these older metal fillings have three major drawbacks. First, they do not bond to the tooth, so they do not reinforce it. On the other hand, when eating hot and cold foods, the shrinkage and expansion they undergo is very different from that of the natural tooth. And this difference causes stress and creates cracks in the teeth, weakening them over time and at last producing fractures. And thirdly, they are clearly ugly. In each case, we must assess the situation and analyze it using X-rays, microscopes, transillumination, and intraoral cameras. It's often advisable to replace them with aesthetic non-metallic restorations that adhere to the tooth, reinforce it, seal the cracks, and have a coefficient of contraction and expansion which is similar to that of the dental tissues, and that are also aesthetics, of course. Due to the composition of silver amalgams, it's advisable to remove them following an isolation and prevention protocol that protects the patient from the possible toxicity of its components. If you have old metal fillings and you want to check if they are causing small cracks in the teeth and you want to assess whether they should be replaced, do not hesitate to consult our specialists.